There are provincial elections, as you mentioned, in April, and then national elections later this year. If they both go ahead as scheduled, can you legitimately run in national elections if, as you say, there are 70-plus cases currently pending against you?
All the cases, I'm afraid, are frivolous. Whenever they go into a court of law, these cases will be dismissed. Now imagine, I just give you an example. There's a terrorism. I'm supposed to have committed terrorism.
Sorry to interrupt, but
and
if that's the case, and if that's what you believe, why didn't you show up in court?
Because I couldn't show up in court. There were reasons why I was injured. So for a lot of time, for 4 months, I was house-ridden. I couldn't really, my leg wasn't, the doctors would not allow me to travel. And they knew it. But before that, I was attending all court cases. But it's only since I was shot, that's when I didn't attend courts. And since then, I have again. But look, it's physically not possible to attend so many court cases. So my lawyers are trying to sort of work out a schedule. The second problem is security. My life is under threat because the people who try to assassinate me are in power. And so we've asked from the courts, we want protection. The court must give me protection before I can appear in courts. Because, I repeat, the people who I have nominated in my assassination attempt are sitting in power.